Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 2 Round Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. We can track the amount of steps taken in a couple of ways. First way to do it is to do it on the watch face. So if you wake up the screen on your watch, some of the watch faces will display that information. For example, this one does, and if you open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face, you can scroll through the menu and look for the watch faces that display the step counter. For example, this one also does, this one also does, and this one doesn't. But let's say we can select this one, and here we have it. It displays the step counter right here. Another way to check these steps is to open the activity widget. So if you're on the home screen, you can swipe left on the screen and keep scrolling until you find the activity widget, this one, and here we have the steps at the top. You can also tap on this widget, and if you open it for the first time, you will be able to set it up. So you can tap on start, and here you can select main indicator, and you have steps and calories. I'm gonna select the steps, then tap on the arrow, and here we can set our goals. So you can change the goals for the steps, and then you can tap on the check mark, and here we have it. It also displays the steps now. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to check the amount of steps taken. So we can move this to the side, bring our phone, zoom out the camera. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zep application. In the app, you can tap on, I believe here we should have some steps or something like that. Let's look for it. Yeah, you can scroll down and then tap on steps, and here we have more detailed information, and we have daily progression, weekly, monthly, and the yearly progression. You can also check how many times you reach the goal and stuff like that. So you have a lot more information in the app than on the watch. And once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.